All right, here's the IWM and the SPY chart. So we're looking at IWM first, which is the Russell 2000. This is like all of the small cap stuff, the top 2,000 stocks on the market. So one thing we're looking at right now, a couple things that I like about it is the fact that we're bouncing on the white line. This white line represents the 1-year moving average. So with our strategy, what we look to do is we look to buy when this blue wave is down here, given a green dot. That was a perfect buy signal back here at around 180. This thing went all the way up to almost $300 over the last year. That happens very rarely. So whenever you guys see me talking about these dots down here, they very rarely happen, right? The one before that, okay, that was back in 2025. The one before that happened in 2023. So you get about 1 or 2 times a year to buy it at a really, really discounted price. Okay, we have pulled back pretty hard over the last 4 weeks. So sometimes we'll bounce on that blue line and sometimes we'll bounce on the white line, just like we kind of did right there. We did right there. So that acts as support. So I think that has something going for it. I would say as long as the IWM can hold on to 240, I think it looks really good here. I would love to see a green dot show up next week. One other thing I like about the IWM is that the stochastic RSI here on the weekly is at 0. The stochastic RSI is the white or the light blue line here. So when that hits this floor here, I mean, it did right here, and then we lost support, right? That was the tariff panic. Everyone was panicking about tariffs, and we went down. Okay, and then we got this signal. So you could have bought right here and then bought right there technically. But again, this was the ultimate buy signal for us right here on the IWM. Again, this happens probably once or twice a year, maybe once a year. Okay, and then boom, you get that big opportunity. But if you're looking for the short-term bounce here, we'd love to see a green dot show up probably next week. But I would definitely have a stop loss on this set at like 239 or 238, just in case we do decide to correct back down here into 210. I dropped a video on the VIX earlier today, and the VIX looks like it's topping out. So normally when the VIX gives a red dot, that means the markets are topping or the markets are bottoming. Okay, you can see the last time we got that was in April. Okay, April of 2025, it topped out and then it went down. Same thing with the IWM. Again, in April is when that VIX sell signal came. Okay, and look where this bottomed. Okay, so the VIX gave the sell signal down here, and then the markets bottomed and went back up. So I like the fact that the VIX is looking good. That's good for stocks. I think as long as this holds 240, it looks good. Again, the whole goal is not to buy when things are going up, right? When things are just on an absolute tear. We want to buy these pullbacks. We want to take advantage of them. Okay, those pullbacks here. And then your other one was the SPY. The SPY's looking pretty much the same, trying to bounce on the yearly moving average. Huge support there for the SPY at about 640. I would just make sure that level holds. Would love to see a green dot show up on this in the next couple of weeks. That will send us higher.